Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your first geography class. And today we are going to begin a new topic, that is water bodies part 2, in which we will study deeply about the lakes and the rivers. So without wasting our time, let's begin our video. Now first we should know what is a lake. A lake is a body of water that is surrounded by land. There are millions of lakes in the world, and mostly they are found in every continent and in every kind of environment, in mountains, in deserts, on plains, and near seashores. Lakes are formed due to tectonic, depositional, or volcanic activities. Lakes are the major sources of fresh water, and these are important in preserving wildlife. So further in this video we will learn about few important lakes around the world. Lakes are popular recreation and vacation spot, and people seek out their sparkling water to enjoy boating, swimming and fishing, etc. The first one is Lake Baikal. This is situated in the southeast Siberia and the deepest lake in the world. It contains nearly 20% of world's unfrozen freshwater reserve. The lake is known for an outstanding variety of endemic flora and fauna, except value of evolutionary science. Moving to the Lake Omega, which is located in the northwestern part of Russia and also the second largest lake of Europe. The lake is connected with the Baltic and White Seas by the White Sea-Baltic Canal and with the basin of Volga River. Goods are shipped over the route from Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Germany to the points in the east and north, and fishing is an important commercial activity on this lake. Moving to the Lake Titicaca, which is located in the Andes and between Bolivia and Peru. The lake is said to be the cradle of Peru's ancient civilization. It is situated at a height of more than 12,000 feet above the sea level, making it the highest commercially navigable lake in the world. Lake Victoria is the Africa's largest tropical lake and also boasted as the second largest freshwater lake in the world and headwater reservoir of the popular Nile River. The lake basin supports about 40 million people, and the water originating from the lake provide hydropower, an important means of transportation between Uganda, Tanzania and Kenya. In addition to fishing, economic activities in the basin include agriculture, forestry and tourism. Lake Chilika, the largest lagoon in Asia, is situated in east coast of India in Orissa. The lake provides a livelihood for over 0.15 million fisher folk and contributes in India foreign exchange to tourism and export of fishes. Chilika has the largest catchment area formed by mainly river Mahanadi, and it is the largest wintering ground for the migratory birds. Birds arrive in October from far away as Siberia, Iran, Iraq and Himalayas and generally stay until March. As we know that lake is a body of fresh water that is surrounded by land. It provides valuable resources for the people in the variety of ways. Through the centuries, lakes have been provided routes for the travel and trade. Lake water provide home to the wild variety of the animals, plants and microorganisms. Artificial lakes are used to store water for the times of drought. Lakes provide hydroelectric energy too, and people seek lake as picnic spot or recreation spot.